Welcome to Zempty Automatic Cat Feeder. Zempty Automatic Cat Feeder. To make the feeding much easier, we control panel on feeder and complex Wi-Fi connection. We connect the feeder app on your smartphone, which is much easier and faster. Within 30 feet of the feeder, you can schedule meals app, which is located in the App Store. We are committed to meeting the various needs of your pet while making your life easier. We deeply understand that customers want feeders to be simpler and easier to use. That is why this product was born. Are you worried about your pet being hungry when you are not at a home? Are you tired of feeder with complicated control panels of feeder with an Wi-Fi connection failure? Smart Pet Feeder is designed for pet owners like you. It connects the app on your phone and allow you to schedule meals in the app. No need for control panel, no need for located Wi-Fi. Unlike smart feeders with Wi-Fi, you do not need to change Wi-Fi settings or experience complex Wi-Fi connection. Within 30 feet of the feeder, the closer the battery, you can connect the feeder and app within 30 seconds. You can press the record button or hit the feed button for instant feeding. You can also long press the reset button for 10 seconds to restore the feeder to factory settings. Record your voice no more than 10 seconds, then it will play automatically every time the food is distributed to remind your pet for meal. It can both be powered by DC power adapter and D cell alkaline battery power not included. Considering possible power outage, it is recommended to use both adapter and battery. You can check the remaining amount of food through the transparent hopper, the feeder time, and easily the feeder into 4 parts to clean it. The smart feeder only support connection, no Wi-Fi connection. If you want to schedule meals when not home, it may not be suitable for you. The Wi-Fi connection is much simpler than the Wi-Fi connection, but there is still a small probability that you will encounter some difficulties. If so, please feel free to get support. Please use to register the account in the app. There are many ways to download the app. It is easy for everyone. Please do not worry if you have difficult in functions issues.